The stock market just pulled off a stunning rebound, but will the rally last? After a turbulent week, Wall Street roared back to life with its best performance in months. But here's the twist. Futures are barely budging now, leaving traders wondering, is this rebound just a temporary sigh of relief, or the start of a real recovery? Market snapshot. A day of big gains, followed by a pause. Stock futures showed almost no movement late Monday. Taking a breather after a powerful rally earlier in the day, Dow Jones Industrial Average futures inched up a mere 19 points, while S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 futures hovered near flat. This muted reaction comes after a session where the S&P 500 surged over 1%, marking its strongest single-day climb since late May. The index also clawed back more than half of Friday's sharp drop. Meanwhile, the Dow snapped a 5-day losing streak with its best performance since mid-September, recovering 2/3 of its prior losses. What sparked the rally? The sudden optimism? A single post on Truth Social from former President Donald Trump, who downplayed trade tensions with China by assuring, "Don't worry about China, it will all be fine." Investors took the hint. Tech stocks like Oracle, AMD, and Nvidia led the charge, lifting the Nasdaq by over 2%. But here's where it gets controversial. Can markets really trust political rhetoric to keep the peace? Ulrike Hoffmann-Burchard, global head of equities at UBS Global Wealth Management, weighed in. Trade policy remains the biggest wildcard for U.S. markets this year. Last week's U.S.-China tensions escalated quickly, and with both sides digging in, we expect volatility to persist. But history shows that Trump-Xi disputes often lead to temporary truces. Rare earth minerals and shipping fees could be the bargaining chips that eventually break the deadlock. What's next? Tuesday brings fresh fuel for the fire, as banking giants JP Morgan Chase and Goldman Sachs prepare to report earnings. Will strong corporate results keep the rally alive, or will trade jitters resurface? And here's the part most people miss. If earnings disappoint, could Friday's sell-off repeat itself? Your turn. Do you think Trump's China comments are enough to calm markets long-term? Or is this just another short-lived bounce before the next storm? Drop your take in the comments. Bullish or bearish, we want to hear it.